Wonder where he is. Is he not in the tree anymore? Nope, I don't see him in there.
What is he?
I don't know. Where should we check now?
I hear the sound.
You hear a sound?
Yeah. What's this?
I don't know. What is he doing in there?
What do my toys?
He's having a car wash. That's silly.
Yeah.
He's playing with your toys.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah, that's his car wash sign. It says Chippy's Car Wash. That's silly.
Yeah. I know he did that.
You know he did that?
Yeah.
Who?
This.
Who did that? Chippy did? Ugh, that silly elf.
Guess that was that.
We gotta show Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he'll think it's funny, don't you?